I've opened up one of my projects here to show you how everything's laid out. So let's start on the left hand side here. You've got some upload options here, and you can upload the video that you want to start editing on from your Google Drive. So my recommendation is that all the video that you take, you store it into a particular folder in Google Drive and then upload it as you need it to edit the project. CapCut gives you some stock videos that you can play with, and this little clip here was made with all the stock videos. So scroll on down through here, you've got photos, you've got audio, and then you've got sound effects as well. So they've got some quite good background music for you if you need to use that. You can also upload your own media. So if you find this, for example, on this project here, I needed a particular sound effect, and I uploaded that audio from a third-party site and then introduced it into the project. So you've got text down here, you can add your own text. So if we scroll through this, I've got all of that on here. Let's scroll through here, got some sounds going on. This beep sound here is going to beep at every, I've timed it, it's come down to here, keep going down, explosion. You've got some flash going on here, which I took from here somewhere, one of these templates. You can add your own captions, you can add your own stickers, you've got other effects going on as well, and you've got transitions. And all of these can be used and dropped into the timeline to make your project work the way you want to do it. The projects work from the bottom up, so the underneath layers are always the sound. The first layer along here is your audio, your video, and then you can add more video layers on top and to layer things, and so you've got these other effects over the top. So you start from the bottom and work up through. The timeline scrolls and scrubs from the left to the right as you work through. You can zoom in and out your timeline depending on the size of your project. So the more finely you want to work on content, you can zoom in and out from here. You can hide the timeline if you need to look at the whole project. And this is the interface.